Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Khazana.
In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet rose flower. For this pattern, I am using 3.5 mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First, take a yarn and make a slip knot. Then make a chain of 65. I completed my 65 chains. To start our first row, make a double crochet in the 4th chain. Yarn over, insert the hook in the 4th chain, pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Then make a chain of 4 and make one more double crochet in the same chain. Then chain 1, skip 3 chains and make a double crochet in the next chain. Yarn over, skip 3 chains and insert the hook in the next chain, pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Then make a chain of 4. Make one more double crochet in the same chain. Chain 1, skip 3 chains and make a double crochet in the next chain. Chain 4, one more double crochet in the same chain. Chain 1, skip 3 chains and make a double crochet in the next chain. Chain 4, make one more double crochet in the same chain. Then chain 1. Continue like this all the way across. Completed my first row. To start our second row, make a chain and turn. In the chain 4 space, we are going to make 9 double crochets. Yarn over, insert the hook in the chain 4 space, pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Make 8 more double crochets in the chain 4 space. And make a single crochet in the same space. Insert the hook in the same space, pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through both loops. In the next chain 4 space, make 9 double crochets. And make a single crochet in the same space. In the next chain 4 space, make 9 double crochets. and single crochet in the same space. Continue to make 9 double crochet and 1 single crochet into each chain for space all the way across. Make a chain and leave a long tail.
If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.